So just like mostly all of the wigs, I'm gonna go ahead and still show you. You have the comb for the actual nape area. You got your adjusters to make the wig actually tighter to actually fit your head. If it's too tight, of course, you're able to take it out from, like, you know, right here, put it right here, or keep it where it is originally. And then we have another comb that is towards the front, and another comb right here. In the very front, I have had a headband wig where they have a comb in the front, but it actually was kind of uncomfortable. So I'm happy that they actually just put the combs right here on the sides. So yeah, this is optional. If you want to wear a cap, you can wear a cap. If you don't, you don't have to. This is like the quickest video I feel like y'all will ever see me do as far as a hair video. Going with one of my brushes. Go with a paddle brush. I want to get it pretty fluffed out. Give it a lot of texture. And then I'll go back in and define once I'm ready. This hair for a minute. It's actually some Senegalese twist, or like some rope twist that I bought off of Amazon months ago. Like, I need to look online and see when I ordered this, but I was gonna do this look for y'all, but the twist came in, I don't know, we'll see. They came in handy because all we're finna do is create our own little situation in the front. Our own little elegant headband. So I'm really excited about, oh, that's why I got these twists. I bought these twists, it was a look I was gonna do, but it wasn't gonna be actual twists. That's why I bought these. I was wondering why I bought these twists, but they're coming in handy now. So all you're gonna need is some of the rope twists. As you can see, we don't have to do any type of braiding, no type of twisting, or nothing. This is nice and quick. You can wear this date night, a wedding, honestly, Valentine's Day, like I said, any type of event, really. So I'm gonna be using, I should have showed y'all, but I'm gonna be using Annie's hairpins. I'm actually gonna go in with the, larger pen. The larger pen like this so that it hangs. Okay, so I want to be able to actually cover up the whole band. Oh, this is cute already. They're not super long, so I'm not able to, of course, like bring it all the way to the back. So it kind of starts right behind my ear. So I'm actually going to be pinning the first twist actually into the wig. That way I have enough room to add a few more twists in the front. Well, dang, what I was about to say, what they got this hair on? You should be able to stick through the actual wig and through the cap, the little net, and get to your hair. And now we're just gonna bring it on over and do the exact same thing. If you want to, you can actually stick inside of the twist. Or for me, I'm just gonna do the whole twist. I found a spot. And I feel like y'all could hear that when I was able to jab through. And then whatever's left over, you can just tuck that because you're not gonna see it. Now over here on this side, it's secure, but it just doesn't feel super secure like I want it. I feel like sometimes when I pull on, you know, the hair, I can feel it kind of loosen. I don't know which one I feel. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one didn't have extra security like it needed. So I'm taking out that last one. Find another area throughout the wig. I'm actually gonna bring it this way. There we go. This is really cute. Do I want to wear it with this? I think I will. Y'all, I don't want to define it. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Just brush it out. So the remaining that I have right here, if you want, you can either find a spot inside of the wig, or what I'm gonna do is actually just bring it to the back, grab another pin, put them together, and just pin it back here. All right, now it is time to completely finish this look. But for the most part, this is it for the actual hairstyle. So let's go ahead and finish so we can get the whole look.